Hello, dear children, good morning. We are doing revision for your examinations, right? And we have done the revisions of hard words, meanings, rhyming words, short answers, long answers, right, children? And in today's class, we are going to do the revision of in grammar, okay? See, complete the sentences by filling E, I or IE in the blanks. Again, complete the sentences by filling E, I or IE in the blanks. See the first one. Did you check the W dash dash GHT of your suitcase? So did you check the weight? This is weight. So here we are filling EI to form a complete meaning of the sentence. See, did you check the weight? WEIGHT, weight of your suitcase. Second one, it is dishonorable. It is dishonorable to DEC dash dash VE others. So it is dishonorable to deceive, DECEIVE. It is dishonorable to deceive others. Third one, people will soon stop BEL dash dash VINGU. People will soon stop believing you. Fourth question, don't you love to REC dash dash VE gifts? Don't you love to receive RECEIVE, receive gifts? See, next one, children. Complete the sentences with suitable adverbs of manner given below. So, you have to complete these sentences by using suitable adverbs of manner. Here we have some adverbs below. So, by using these adverbs, you have to complete these sentences. See, the animal ate the food dash. The animal ate the food happily. The hare ran dash to bring the rope. The hare ran slowly to bring the rope. Or you can, the hare ran fastly to bring the rope. The hippo looked at the rhino dash. The hippo looked at the rhino angrily. The hare crept towards hippo slowly. Okay. Here, the hare ran fastly to bring the rope. The hare crept towards hippo slowly. The hare crept towards hippo slowly. The hare called out to rhino and hippo loudly. The hippo was dozing peacefully. The hippo was dozing peacefully in his pool. Okay. Again, I am going to repeat the adverbs of manner. Children, you have to complete the sentences. The animal ate the food happily. The hare ran fastly to bring the rope. The hippo looked at the rhino angrily. The hare crept towards hippo slowly. The hare called out to rhino and hippo loudly. The hippo was dozing peacefully in his pool. Next one. Identify the adverbs of time in these sentences. So, in these sentences, we are going to identify the adverbs of time. See, I am still working on this. Here, still is saying a particular time that he is working on. So, I am still, here still is the adverb of time here. I am still working on this. Second one, we shall read this story tomorrow. We shall read this story when the time, tomorrow. Okay, here tomorrow is the adverb of time. Next one, the hare was already getting bored. The hare was already is showing a particular time. Okay, have you heard this story before? Here before is saying, is showing the adverb of time. Have you heard this story before? He saw a hippo and a rhino in the zoo last month. Last month is showing the adverb of time. So, he saw a hippo and rhino in the zoo last month. Sixth one. Hippo is still searching the river banks at night. Hippo is still searching the river banks at night. D. Underline the subject and circle the predicate in each of the sentences. First one. The teacher likes her students. Here the teacher is the subject and likes her students is the predicate. So you have to underline the teacher and likes her students, you have to circle. Okay. This house was built last year. This house is a subject, whereas was built last year is a predicate. The horse runs very fast. The horse is the subject and runs very fast is the predicate. The rain washed away the soil. The rain is the subject here, whereas washed away the soil is the predicate. My mother gave me a chocolate. My mother is the subject here and gave me a chocolate is the predicate. Next, match the verb in column A. This is the verb in column A with the suitable adverb. In column A we have verbs and in column B we have adverbs. We have to match them. See, here verbs are hope, select, announce, write, laugh. Whereas adverbs are carefully, loudly, joyfully, sincerely, legibly. So, hope, sincerely. Select, legibly. Announce, loudly. Write, carefully. Laugh, joyfully. Okay. Next, see, fill in the blanks with letters E, A, R, O, A to form meaningful words. So, you have to fill these forms by fill in the blanks, these blanks with E, A, R, O, A. See here, first one. B, E, A, C, H, beach. G, O, A, T, goat. B, R, E, A, C, H, breach. SEAL, seal. Okay. Next one. Write a topic on Rani and her companion Jalkari who fought for Jhansi. So children, you have to write a topic which will and the topic should not exceed more than 50 words. Okay, you have to write a topic on Rani and her companion Jalkari who fought for Jhansi. Okay, so prepare well for your examinations, children. Prepare this revision sheet very carefully and write your exams. All the best, children. Bye. Thank you.